Hello, hello, and welcome to the Travel Bug Feeling channel. Woo! Okay, so today it's a new day and I'm going to a place called Cachoeira do Escorrega, or roughly translated as sliding waterfall or slide waterfall. Anyway, go faster in this truck here. So this is a place in Analândia, around 65 kilometers from here. No, a little bit more, maybe 80 kilometers from here. I might face some rain today, because today I decided to do this in the afternoon. I don't know if it was a good idea, but let's see. So I'm going to go now from Piracicaba to Rio Claro, then from Rio Claro to Corumbataí, then from Corumbataí to Analândia via dirt road, and in Analândia I go to this place, and you can also see a train station there. It's an old train station. I don't know exactly why it's written. You see that it's going to be written Anápolis, not Analândia, for this train station. But anyway, this is just something else. But I am going to go and show you this place because I went with my family and I thought it was a very nice place. There is also a restaurant there, and I think it's a nice place for you to see that we have close, or well, not close to Piracicaba, but around. Yeah, that's what's gonna happen. And when I am in around Corumbataí, because I have to cross Rio Claro, and there's nothing to show. But when I'm a little bit closer to Corumbataí, I'm going to restart the camera, and then you will see a little bit of the road, which is, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful road there. And then I'm gonna show you the waterfall, and there's some some places for you to bathe yourself to feel the water, to swim. I'm not going to, but I've done that already. Anyway, I'll see you then. Bye bye. Okay, so here I am in Rio Claro. So I'm going to, I have 28 kilometers to Corumbataí, where the river is. There's a river called Corumbataí that, as strange as it sounds, Piracicaba gets water from this river, not from Piracicaba River. But anyway, I'm going to, I'm crossing the city now to get a road to Corumbataí. I'm just following the GPS here because it's easier to follow. Anyway, this is Rio Claro. Okay, yeah, I am now between Rio Claro and Corumbataí in this back road here. It's I'm going to, so my final destination is in Analândia. Analândia is a famous city for adventure holidays, adventure activities, you know. So they have a lot of hills. They have a lot of waterfalls. So people that go to Analândia, they are looking for this kind of adventures and adventure activities. You see, I'm not going to get into the city properly because the place is not exactly there, but you will see the dirt road I'm gonna take. Yeah, this road here is not very good, but not very bad either. I think I'm going to overpass these guys here so I can get out of them and see the place better, because when I am with them I can't see if there is a a pothole, you see. If I'm behind them, I can't see if there's a pothole, so the idea maybe is to overtake them. Okay, so here's a city called Ajapi. Welcome to Ajapi. It might be a district of Rio Claro here. Yeah. It's not my first time here. I've already been to this road here, not to Ajapi exactly. Anyway, 33 kilometers to go. Welcome to Corumbataí. Corumbataí, the name is because of the river. The name of the city is because of the river. The main river that is in the region here. Yeah. I'm gonna follow the GPS here because I'm going to Analândia on a dirt road. Yeah, this is Corumbataí. The guys are here around drinking some beer. Whoa. Another bar here. Whoop. Okay, one more street, then I turn right. Turn right. And now it's written here Analândia, see? On a dirt road. Yeah, they don't say it's on a dirt road, but it is. I know it. Oh yeah, the church. Corumbataí's church. Probably the city hall. And here's the church with a place for you to sing there. Nice. Let's see if the dirt road is good. Oh yeah, last time I came from there, and then I talked to a guy here, and the guy made me go to the other road, not to the dirt road, but today I want to go to the dirt road. Yes. Let's see if the road is bad or not. I hope it's not too sandy. Yeah, probably I won't go very fast. Analand, the land of the anise. Yes. Okay, so here's the limit. Now I am entering in Analândia already. Very good. You see the Cuestas there? Yeah, I think it's Cuestas, I don't know. Yeah. I still have some maybe around what, 10 kilometers of dirt, then a little bit more when I get to Analândia. I'll have to get a normal road there, and then normal road, I mean paved road. And then I'm going to get another dirt road to get into the waterfall. Here is not so good. Here is okay. It's a nice road. I'm just afraid of not having stable, not being stable, you know, like, because it's a little bit muddy now here. A lot of sand, but it's wet sand here, for example. Ooh. It's okay. Okay. Good. Oh, smells good here. Here it dances a little bit, so I can just like turn the motorcycle very fast because I can slide. Yeah, you see? Just found this little mini waterfall. Yeah, in the middle of the way here to Analândia. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. The weather's a little bit bad here now. I don't know if I'm gonna get some rain. Ooh, what is this? Mineração Jundu. Okay. Ah, okay, so they got like a mining company here. Big. I thought for a moment I thought it was in a. This was a playground. It looks like a playground, doesn't it? Ooh. I wonder what they do here. What is this? Okay, let's go. Yeah, the road's not so bad here. I was trying to follow the tracks, tire tracks here, but there aren't so many. Yeah, but it's okay. I mean, it's just a normal dirt road. Yeah, not sandy, quite good. But with this kind of motorcycle, it's a little bit more difficult. But yeah, that's it, done. Well, here we have the paved road already. Woo. Wheel. There you go. Okay, cool. So I guess we are in Analândia already. Oh, the paved road is even worse than the dirt road. More potholes than the dirt road. Anyway, gotta be careful. I prefer the dirt road. Okay, so from here to the waterfall is around 8 kilometers. So I'll be there around 2:30, I think. Ooh, a little bit of dirt road again. There are some puddles here, so it might have been raining a little bit. You see? More difficult here. Yeah. Okay, so saying here that I have to do this, return. A lot of sand here, not good with the motorcycle. Okay, I have to go a little bit further up and then return. If I go straight here, I go to Pirassununga. Okay. Some motorcycles coming. Yeah, nice ones. Analândia, here we go. Okay, train station. You see, it's written in English. There is also a, but it's written Anápolis. I think they changed the name for Analândia later on, and they have a wagon here. Hello. Like kind of like a. Yeah, it's written Rio Claro, São Paulo Railway. Yeah, that's it. Here it's written São Paulo 221 kilometers, Rio Claro 41, São Carlos 37, and Pirassununga 28. Yeah, the Rio Claro São Paulo Railway Company Limited, 1852. Yeah. Beautiful. Very nice place. And here are the warehouses probably. Yeah. But it's closed, you see. I don't know why exactly. There are some people inside, but I think it's their property. Something like this. Might have been. I hope it's not too. I hope I don't slide here. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so now we're going to the waterfall. I can't look so much to the left. To the right, sorry. I'm afraid of sliding. Ooh. Beautiful. Okay. Good. Done.